Creating a matrix of options using itertools. I am trying to produce a matrix of true and false values, which shows all the permutations for a given number of choices. So for 5 choices you would have the following output. I have been looking at using itertools permutations and combinations, but these work off position and not value, which results in duplicates. I'm sure there is a standard algorithm for this problem, but I'm struggling to find its name.
Use itertools.product. Example of itertools.product: false, true, repeat equals 2.
You seem to want the n-dimensional Cartesian product of false, true. Or more concisely, stealing from Frederick.
This is the same form as the binary representation of integers between 0 to n-1. If you were inclined to such perversity, you could represent integers as 0-padded binary strings using str.format and then coerce the string, of the form 00101, into a Boolean list by doing something terrible like this. The n-dimensional Cartesian product above is, I'm sure, the right way to think about this, but this way made me giggle.
Ja uważam, że to sejmowe, teraz to są 4 subskrypcji.